Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you some secrets of winning an argument with your husband. Arguments are an unavoidable part of life and relationships. Unfortunately, just because you know you are right doesn't mean everyone else feels the same way. But although it can be hard to quell the urge to yell your point of view, it is worth considering other, more effective tactics, as escalating the situation doesn't help. So here are 7 simple and easy tricks you can adopt while arguing with your husband to make sure that you end up in a clear victory. 1. Recognize that the point of an argument is to better understand the other side. According to marriage therapist Marissa Nelson, the goal of an argument is to leave with a renewed sense of understanding of each other's needs, and not just to vent your frustrations. As long as you and your partner are not arguing just to argue, the argument arose because you are not understanding each other. But rather than blaming this on your partner's inability to listen to anything you say, focus instead on the issue at hand. 2. Ask questions to better understand the other perspective. Jay Sullivan, the author of Simply Said, Communicating Better at Work and Beyond, says asking questions is a foolproof way of winning an argument, as it gives us a better understanding of our partner, rather than just relying on our own assumptions of how they're feeling. 3. Use direct language. Communication is also key in relationships and especially in arguments. To ensure that your point isn't getting lost amidst a mess of other unrelated grievances, use direct language. According to Susan Pease Gadwa, a couples therapist and co-author of The New I Do, Reshaping Marriage for Skeptics, Realists, and Rebels. In order to do this successfully, you must tell the whole truth, because, until each person can admit where they truly are, they will never get their needs met or resolve the fight, according to Susan. 4. Avoid saying, but, or, however, after the other person tells their side. According to Sullivan, argument winners avoid using, but, and, however, whenever possible during an argument, as it actually communicates to the other person that you don't really care about their position. He suggests using, and, instead, which sounds more positive and can add to the conversation rather than detract from it. 5. Monitor your tone of voice and body language. It can be difficult to keep a handle on your emotions and maintain a neutral manner, especially in a highly emotional situation. But according to Nelson, monitoring these emotions is integral to winning an argument, as it's not just about what you say but how you say it. 6. Listen, don't persuade. Asking questions that begin with why, what, and how is also important, according to Sullivan, as it forces the other person to talk and you to listen. And because the goal is to turn the argument into a productive discussion, listening and understanding the other person is necessary before a solution can be reached. 7. If you do say something out of line, apologize. "I'm sorry you feel that way" is not the same as a genuine apology, and argument winners know that. Holding yourself accountable for the things you say or do is important, and proves to the other side that you are taking the matter seriously. If you do have something to apologize for, it is better to own up to it and say you are sorry. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.